Well, hello, welcome to Evaluate and Repair. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get some notifications when a new video comes up. But I'm putting up this video here. It's just going to be a short, quick video, a reminder on our giveaway, and also the main reason I'm doing this video right now is to say thank you to the subscribers that we have now. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, we finally hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. It was took a long time, but I'm thankful to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I want to continue to get this channel to grow. So by doing that, leaving the comments in the bottoms help, and also subscribing to the channel. Also, the other reason for this video is I want to remind the viewers and about the giveaway that we had on New Year's Day. I put out a video announcing a giveaway that we were having, and that was for a set of screwdrivers. This is a set of screwdrivers that we're going to be giving away. I announced at the beginning of the year that we were going to give these away when we doubled our subscribership, which was at the time 700 or something. I think the total that we were looking to do was 1,526, if I remember correctly. That was our target. However, I had since changed that, and I'm going to give these away at the end of the year, whether we hit that goal or not. My second video to the details. Both of these videos will be up here. Actually, it'll probably be over here. But the details to that was in a second video. That gives you all the details on how you can win these screwdrivers. But we will be picking a winner for that at the end of this year. If by some chance we hit our goal before the end of the year, I am going to give out 2 sets of screwdrivers. So there'll be 2 winners. Otherwise, we're just going to give that one away at the end of the year, and that's it. And then maybe we'll have a new giveaway starting for next year and a whole new set of something different. I want to thank all the subscribers again, and I also want to welcome new subscribers. And I hope if you have any suggestions for videos that you would like to see, keep in mind I am limited to space here, so I can't have a lot of projects going on, especially larger ones like cars. I do cars, but I have a few of mine that I want to do, and I have a few that are still on the back burner that we just haven't got to this year. I didn't get a lot of videos out, just working a lot, and didn't get a chance to put out a lot of videos. I'd like to just say thank you again to our subscribers, and those that are coming on board, welcome. And thanks for watching.